Okay, welcome again. Today we're going to see how you can measure the DC voltage. DC voltage. We have this unit that can be used to measure the DC voltage. So the selection of where your pointer or this selector must point, it depends on the values that you're going to measure the amount of DC voltage. It means that the pointed values must be equivalent to the measured value or must be greater to the measured values. That it means if you are going to measure 10 voltage, it must your pointer must point here to the 20 volts. 20 volts. It must be greater to compared to the measured values, or can be equivalent in order to have good digits and decimal approximation. In order to have good decimal approximation in displayed digits. This battery is 9 volts, so we're going to use this 20 volts. It gives 7.84 volts. It is due to deteriorations, but when you put in this 2 volts, you're going to have over limit, and when you have you're going to press in this, it's going to be 7.6. that it means it try to approximate the decimal. That is why you must press the larger nearest values to the measured one, the amount which is larger and the nearest to the measured one, in order to have good decimal press. It's just the phone charge that have 6 volts. It display over limits here. It give approximation of 5.8, but here you can have good display according to the, because